Hey, after I was wondering after I watched the video that Yumi made, the link is by the way below, in which she talked about the difference between C, alphabet C, English alphabet C, A, B, C, C, and sh, like she, he, I, she, S-H-E. I was wondering, well, I noticed, or I wondered that there might be different, at least two different pronunciation of C. I mean, that sound like C, which are C and C. I know that C and she, which is like she is a bitch. She is different. I know the difference, and I can pronounce that differently. And I have never thought that pronouncing C, yeah, this way, C, would be any difficult. Or I never even wondered about this thing that I am wondering right now. But do you see the difference? I mean, before I watched this video, I'd never even wondered about such a thing. But C and C, do you see the difference? Like this C that I pronounce first, C is like front going sound, like like penetrating, like C. But the second one is C and C. Yeah, this one C. It's like sideward, side direction, sideway. To me, it sounds like that. C. Which do you pronounce? It's like oceans, C, like Pacific Ocean. I mean, that kind of C or C. How do you pronounce those words? Or just the letter C? C, I pronounce it usually C. I don't even think about difference like C or C. No, I just C. I went to a C. I want to see it. C. Yeah, this is how I pronounce it. C. But maybe C. This is my way. Which, or are there any difference between C or C? Do you know the difference? Do you see the difference? I mean, do you see the difference in the first place? C or C or yeah, even the shape of mouth changes. C or C. Which do you do? I do C. Maybe between C. Let me see it. I want to go to the C, and I want to see the world. C. This is how to pronounce it. C. A, B, C. Is there anyone who pronounces this letter S? I mean, C, or C ocean, C, or C lick, C, like C. I was wondering, yeah, that's what I was wondering, and maybe I will post this video as a video response to the video that I watched and which made me think about this. Maybe S is S. This is this. I don't know. I'm not native English speaker, so I'm not a native English. It's but speaker. I'm not a native English speaker. Acer. Passport. This is difficult. Well, what do you guys think when you're pronouncing alphabet? It's difficult, but interesting. Thanks for watching. thanks for watching. This was go ahead. See you soon. Bye bye.